In this video, let us see how we can assemble the drone. This is the drone. This is the communication box. These are the antennas. These are the propellers. This is the battery, and this is the GoPro and the mounts. Now first we have to connect the battery. For that we need to keep the drone upside down, and then we need to pull out the straps, and we need to open these straps so that we can insert the battery. Now we take the battery and we keep it between these straps. Make sure that the wire reaches the drone port, and now we need to tighten these straps. We need to tighten it hard, and make sure that the battery is intact. Now we need to connect the wires. For that we need to stack the wire. We use this small strap to connect them, and we need to tighten them hard. Now this is the main wire, and we need to connect this part to the drone port here. Now we are not connecting that part. We can now keep the drone down, and next we can connect the GoPro. This is the GoPro, and this is the mount. First we need to pull out these two ports from the GoPro, and then we have to insert the GoPro into this mount in such a way that it looks like this, and then we need to screw it and make it tight. We need to make this connection by screwing it, screw it hard, and now we open this top part, and then we connect it to the camera port. First we need to push it down from the bottom, push it all the way to the top, and we need to close this part here. Next we connect the propellers. The propellers are color coded. They are black and white. Now we connect the white parts. We need to connect the white propeller to the white part here. We can see the locking and anti-locking symbols on the propeller, and we connect this part by rotating, and as you rotate you can feel the tightness, and it is tight enough. It is connected. Now we connect the other white part. It is diagonal to the one we connected before, and now we rotate it, and as you feel the tightness, it means that it is connected. Now we connect the black propellers. To connect the black propellers, we shouldn't use the same way that we connected the white ones. We should rotate in the opposite direction to the direction which we used in the white ones. Now let us connect the other propeller. We have to rotate to the opposite side to the side which we have connected the white ones. Rotate it opposite to that direction. Now we feel the tightness and it is locked. Next we have our antenna. We have to connect the antenna to the drone. We have to connect the antenna through this port. Let's connect it. We have to rotate the antenna, and you can feel the tightness. Now it is tight, and we have to keep the antenna like this. And at last, we have to make the connection to the drone. Make the connection like this. Now we hear a beep sound. This means that the drone has started. Now we have to connect the antenna to the communication box. We have to rotate the antenna like this, and we feel the tightness, and here it is tight. Now we have to keep the antenna like this, and our antenna is connected to the communication box. And this is how we assemble the drone.